guys, it's me April and I'm here at Mailma at Tushan. So right here, I'm exploring right now the Mailma. So now we reach from the rooftop. This is their second floor and the ambience is really nice, guys. Like seriously. So now we reach on the third floor. Wow, really guys. It's really breathtaking. Zabardast. Where the Desi area is located. So this is the area where you can sit just normally Pakistani do. And it's the ambience is really good and I really like it. Area, this is you can see this is the four corners of the wall that we're sitting right now today. So I can't wait to have what will they're gonna serve and I'm thrilled and I'm puzzled about it. So this is the traditional, the way how you will have to wash your hands. It's really a desi, and it's gonna be my first time to try this kind of food that they're serving they're serving us right now. It's so big, nan. Start with Afghani pulao. Again, it's my favorite Afghani boti. Amazing. It never fails me. The combination of beef boti and Afghani pulao. Now this is rosh goose. So I'm gonna try it with this big naan, Afghani naan. It's really my first time to have this kind of food in my entire life. It's really, really good. The meat is so soft, chewy. Oh my god. They also serve us the Korean rice. Wow. Like with the mushroom, bell pepper, with egg on top. It's spicy, but combination is really good. The third food that we're going to try is the fried gosh. This is it. I feel like the meat, they make it like boiled for like the whole day and then they fry it. Crispy on the outside, but chewy in the inside. A sake of drinks. Now they're here. Basically, this is a mint. This is a piña colada. This is a fruit punch, and then this is blossom blush. So we're gonna try one by one, and let's enjoy. As usual, I'm going to have the piña colada. It's healthy for our stomach. So for today, I really enjoyed the night and the food was so amazing, like so amazing. I cannot even explain the words how much amazing it is. And I really wish that I was gonna come back again here. So anyway, I'm gonna say good night now. Thank you for and then see you in the next vlog.